There's a moment most people miss. They don't argue, they don't disappear, they don't even seem angry. They stay. But something essential is gone. And by the time you notice it, they've already left. Their effort becomes transactional. At first, nothing feels wrong. They still reply, they still show up, they still do what's expected. But their effort stops responding to you. When someone's emotionally present, their effort adjusts. They notice when you're off, they change tone, and you respond without being asked. When someone has already left, their effort becomes fixed, predictable, minimal, obligatory. You start feeling like you're interacting with a system, not a person. And that's because emotional presence has been replaced with obligation. This is usually the first sign, because it looks like stability, but stability without warmth isn't commitment, it's preparation. And if this is the kind of psychology that resonates with you, hit subscribe, because this is what Mindspeak explores. They stop repairing misunderstandings. Every real connection has friction. Things are misheard, tone lands wrong, small ruptures happen. When someone still cares, they repair, they clarify, they explain. They don't want the distance to grow quietly. When someone has already left, they stop doing that. It's not out of cruelty, because repairing requires intention, and they no longer intend to stay. They let you misunderstand them, they let tension sit, they let confusion grow, because silence is cheaper than emotional investment. And when someone stops repairing small breaks, they've already accepted the bigger one. Your emotions stop affecting them. Pay attention to how they respond to your emotional state. When you're anxious, do they slow down? When you're excited, do they lean in? Emotional presence creates responsiveness. When someone's still there, your mood slightly shifts theirs. Not dramatically, but subtly. When they've already left, your emotions stop registering. Not because they're cold, because they're no longer attuned. You might even notice something unsettling. They seem calmer when you're distressed. That calm isn't strength, it's distance. Your inner world no longer reaches theirs, and that only happens after disengagement. The future quietly disappears. People who plan to stay naturally reference the future, not with promises, just casually. Next time, we should, when this settles. But when someone's already left, those references fade. Conversation stays present, contained, and short term. Not because they're being careful, because they've stopped imagining themselves being there. The relationship still exists now, but the future, that's quietly been abandoned. And once someone removes themselves from the future, they've already gone. They become calm in the wrong way. This one confuses people the most. They stop reacting, they stop pushing back, they stop needing reassurance. At first, it feels like peace, but something feels off. There's calm without closeness. The calm doesn't come from understanding, it comes from letting go. They're no longer trying to be understood, because it no longer matters to them. That's why that calm feels hollow, detached, almost polite. It isn't peace. It's the stillness that comes after someone has already left. People don't always leave loudly. Sometimes they stay present until you realise you've been alone for a while. Pay attention to what's missing, not to what's there. And subscribe to Mindspeak and see the unseen.